Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can trim, split, or cut videos in CapCut PC. So there's this video here and you can basically use these to split your clips. This is just to split it in two clips. If you want to trim and delete, you can select this one. This one will delete the left side and this one will delete the right side of your clip. You can also use this feature, the B one, or just like B on your keyboard. If you want to go back, just press A to the pointer one, but use B to basically cut these in smaller clips. So those are the ways to basically split, trim, or cut your clips into smaller clips. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!